pull up into the mussel farms with the grappling hook at each end of the boat. So we sit in the middle, we've put a burley bomb down, and we have been sitting through the whole tide. As if you do that heaps at the start, some junk fish will come through, so you have to wait around for them to leave, and then the good fish will start showing up. My favourite bait would be pilchard on a 5-burrow Black Magic snapper tail.
No, it's not a gurnet. Whoa! It's on.
It's on his technically.
Barracuda. It's a snapper. That was my first snapper! Ah!
Yes! Look how big it is! Yeah, snap against Brazilian!
Yeah!
Nice snapper!
Jesus!
Oh, we're gonna get that. Oh, you legend! What the? That's a bull! What the? Look at that! Fuck! That's a bull! We'll throw those out. Geez, that's a big blue dog. Yeah, that's a good one too. We're just heading back in from fishing out wide, and a whole lot of birds working in the bay around here. So I got the boys to put the lures out and picking it in amongst under the birds working. There's going to be some carwai, so we'll just have a bit of a stooge around and see what we can pick up. Talk us through that, Pedro. What's happened?
Oh, we have just got a nice carway. Daniel hooked it.
Is that your first carwai?
Yep.
Yeah, it shows, mate. It shows. We have on board a couple of foreign exchange students, one from Brazil and one from Germany. And it's quite refreshing. Things that we take for granted, like an average day fishing, can be quite exciting for them. And you know, the first fish on the board, whether it be kiwi catching your first snapper or whether you come from another country, it's a special moment. We've had one or two of those. It's been quite entertaining.
Crimpy's Fishing Show.